The United Democratic Party Central Executive Committee has convened a meeting to discuss the party's poor performance in the recent Lok Sabha elections for the Shillong parliamentary seat. UDP President Met Balingdor shared insights with reporters after the meeting, highlighting the significant role of social media in disseminating information during the polls. The party also discussed preparations for district council elections, identifying potential candidates and allocating tickets to sitting MDCs. Additionally, the UDP leadership will decide on contesting the Gambagre by-polls, and a 2-minute silence was observed in memory of the late Tenwell Dakhar, a senior MDC from Shella.
Kami kat application ni IRF, kami di pakai ni, tenbay ni last time proses. Gimana ni yang orang yang pimenang ini adalah pakai MDC, pakai konsumsi. Ada dalam di MDC gimana juga parti gimana kuat menilai ni, dengan kerja firm pakai. But ni empat setengah proses tu, mampu membangun organisasi kembali pakai parti ni lama aja.
The HNYF has again